Hello everyone, good morning. So in this video I will tell you how to place your order using Oriflame app. Okay, so first download the app from Play Store. Okay, so go to Play Store and type Oriflame. This is the app which you need to download. Okay, once you downloaded the app, log in with your consultant ID and password. Okay, then this is our home page. Okay, once you downloaded and once you logged in with your ID and password, this is how it looks. Okay, this is our home page. In our home page we have our training, e-learning modules, and we have the social media library, and we have the catalog, and we have this month events and all will be there. Okay, and in the above section you can see the current month offers, right? So in that current month offers you can able to see the offers which we have this month. So it's the festive bonanza offer. So actually we have a festive bonanza offer. When you are placing a order of 3000 rupees, you can able to get a product worth MRP of 1000 rupees just for 199. Okay, at the same time if you are placing a order of 5000 rupees, you can able to take two products worth 2000 rupees just for 299. Okay, so don't miss this offer. In case if you are a newcomer, if you are placing your 100 BP, yeah, so it will be comes around if you are going for wellness, it will be comes around 3500, right? So you can able to qualify for both festive bonanza as well as you will be qualifying for welcome program. Okay, so as the total you can able to qualify for gifts worth 2000 rupees. Okay, if you are getting products for 3000 and you 3500, if you are getting wellness, by addition you will be getting gifts for 2000 rupees. Don't miss this, guys. And if you are placing any other product like cosmetics and all, for completing your 100 points, it will be around 5000, right? At the same time you will be getting the offer, the festive bonanza offer. You can able to get 2000 rupees as well. You will be getting the welcome program gift of CC cream. Okay, so that will be around 9 to 929 rupees. Okay, so as the total you can able to uh, get the gifts worth around 2950 rupees. Yeah, nearly 3000 rupees gifts you are getting. Don't miss. As if you are a beginner, if you are a newcomer, don't miss your welcome program. If when you are qualifying for the welcome program, by addition you can able to get this festive bonanza offer also. Okay, don't miss this, guys. And second tab is for category. Okay, so we have the product category here. So by selecting this also you can able to add the product to the cart. Okay, so if you want creams, so just click that, and if you want this product, just click buy. So the product will be added to your cart. Okay, in case if you have the code, yeah, in catalog nearby each product we have the 5-digit code, right? So that 5-digit code is called product code. Yeah, that we need to give in a quick order method. Either you can choose product from the category, otherwise you can give the product code in quick order. For example, let me show you. So this is our product code. So I have given that, and when I click add, it will be added to my cart. Okay, now it's added. Either you can choose from category or you can give the 5-digit code in the quick order and click continue, so that products will be added. Okay, so when you click continue, you can able to see the offers, web offers of your region. If you want, you can if you want to take any product, just when you click that add to bag, that products will also add it to your bag. Okay, and here you can able to see, yeah, the total summary, right? The total rupees and the total BP of the products which you have added. Okay, and click continue. It will ask you for the delivery option. In home delivery your address will be there, and if you want to send it to your friends, you can use delivery to your friend and you can add your friend's address. Okay, and when you click continue, the payment method will be asked. Yeah, choose the payment method which you want. So for just for example I'm showing you. Yeah, then here you can able to review the product. Okay, so in product summary you can able to review the product. So since it's not available, so it won't be added there, only wellness set will be added. And when you click pay, once the transaction is completed, your order will be placed. Okay, don't miss this guys. If you have any if any doubts, do contact me. Bye guys.